Jennifer Cummins is accused of abandoning her infant in a dumpster. Now she's charged with murder, but her attorney says she's not guilty.
Wait for all the evidence, not just what they've heard, not just charges on a piece of paper, but for the evidence to come out.
Brad Clark represents Cummins. He says Kentucky State Police approached her more than a year ago after DNA from an ancestry database linked her to the case. State police say in recent years they re-examined the case using advancements in technology and say they developed Cummins as a person of interest. That led to a grand jury indictment.
She was told there may be charges. She didn't contact a lawyer. She waived her rights, spoke to that trooper, and he told her she would have an opportunity to turn herself in if there were any charges were placed, but instead she was extradited at great cost.
Police say the infant, known as baby Jane Doe, was alive and healthy before someone placed her in the dumpster. But Cummins told Clark that her baby was stillborn.
As a father myself, I think this, it's tough for all of us to see her prosecuted for this.
A plea of not guilty was entered, but Clark will look through the evidence.
Today, the government gave me a copy of what they believe is the evidence against her, which I'm assuming is a forensic report from over 30 years ago using probably laughably out-of-date science.
Before her arrest, Clark says Cummins was a social worker in Virginia and has no criminal record.
I and the other attorneys that have looked at this case have seen nothing to support this charge, and we think the jury will see it the same way.
Cummins' pretrial conference is scheduled for March 19th at 1:30. In Madison County, Amelia Lee, WKYT.